G'day guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to draw Slakoth, and thanks to Noah for your suggestion, mate. I'm going to start with an oval shape for his nose with a couple of little dots. What a cool looking Pokemon. Now this is almost like a circle, so a big circle there. And then we're going to put another big-ish circle, almost circle oval. This is definitely going to be a circle, so one circle here. Now this one touches the nose, so start him there like that. Now we've got a line coming across and a straight line coming down here. Now this is based on a sloth, I would believe. And we've got like a little semicircle there and a little semicircle here for the eyes. Okay, we've got the face looking pretty good. Let's put the mouth on. So the mouth starts here and it bends down and up and around like that. A little bit of a smile. He's having a nice relaxing time. Now the side of his head, let's have a look. It comes around like a curve. So try and keep that all the similar sort of distance. And it comes down underneath like this, flattens out a bit, then comes back around, and it's quite narrowed through here and then comes up. So almost like in a little bowl. Now he's got his arm coming around here, so what we're going to do first is a couple of little bits of hair. 1, 2 bits of hair. Okay, and then he's got his claws coming through here, so a line coming down like that and around like that. This is one of his claws. Then he's got a second claw coming around like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring his arm here and we're going to bring a curve around. Hope you guys are having fun drawing Slakoth. You can't slack off while you're drawing this drawing, that's for sure. You've got to concentrate and do a good job. I'm sure you are at home. Now another curve around, and it gets slightly bigger here and wider, so I'm just going to make that wider, and then I'm going to come back and around and meet that. You could have kept going if you wanted to. I just wanted to show you how you can bring it back the other way. So there's his head and his arm. Now he's got 2 more pieces of hair. 1, 2, there. And that's his head there. Now he's got the rest of his body. So his arm comes out a reasonable distance. So from about here, we're going to bring a sort of a line that slightly curves out. And it's probably the same width as the head. So yeah, I reckon I'm pretty happy with that. And then he's got one sort of claw through there like that, similar to those ones. And another rounded sort of claw like that. And then this line comes up, and then it gets a little bit thicker up there, and it's about that far away. Now his body is going to come, pretend his body comes through here, so I'm going to pick that up and bring that out. This leg comes out in line with that one, so then we've got to bring it up. And because it's further back, we're making it a little bit narrower, and then it comes back up and around like that. That's his bottom. Now these little toes come around. 1, 2. Now he's got some little tufts of hair on the back here, so this is the first one here. 1, 2, 3 bits. And then we're going to bring another one. 1, 2, 3 bits, and that comes back around like that. Now he's got some like little stripe bits, so this comes down to show that that's a curve. We call that a contour line. So see how I'm curving that down. If we did that straight, it would look like he's flat. And then we're just going to put a couple of little zigzags on there. And then we're going to do the same on here. So we're going to curve this around. Hey guys, if you're really getting some value out of this and you're enjoying drawing it, make sure you hit the like button.